Vivian Mangalindan is popularly known as Miss V. She's a social commentator and broadcast journalist. She delivers live conversations, sharing opinions, insights, reactions. Learn some tips and techniques for conversation mastery. Her speech is going to be motivational. The title of this speech is Conversation Mastery Beyond Just Words. Please help me welcome Vivian Mangalindan. Conversation Mastery Beyond Just Words. Vivian.
Conversation is not a solo act. Just as we're trying to learn how to present, Miss V over here comes and tells you it's not a solo act. What are you supposed to do? Bring your mother? Mom, I need some confidence. You're doing conversations every day. You know that because you're not delivering prepared speeches 24 hours a day. Would you want to learn some tips from me on how not to bore people to tears when they ask you simple questions? You may raise your hand if you want. Yes? Yes. Those who don't want, raise your 2 feet. Okay, thank goodness. No feet. All right. Conversation mastery is a two-way street. It's not about you. It's definitely not about me. It's definitely about everyone else that you happen to be talking to. Does that make sense so far? Yes? No? Well, if you want to talk to yourself, that's very, very strange. Now, let me ask you, would you think conversation is a dialogue? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Or a monologue? Blah, 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 blah. Would it be a monologue or a dialogue? Anybody put your mic on and choose. Monologue or dialogue? Dialogue means two people or more. Monologue means talking not only by yourself, it's talking to yourself. So, would you want a little bit of tip here? The best way to have a conversation is to not email, to not text. Have a real time talk. Why? How many times has it happened to anybody? Please raise your hand. Where you texted the best you could, where you emailed the best you could, and what did the person do? What? How dare you? And then you're like, no, no, that's not what I meant. In your whole life since childhood, who has ever experienced a scenario called, Mommy, that's not what I meant. Sir, that's not what I meant. Yeah, it's a case called verbal diarrhea in the French. No, 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 but. I've been there. That's why I'm helping you with conversation mastery. Now, first things first. Clarity is a must. Eh? But I speak so clearly. No, not that kind of clarity. Meaning, no one wants you starting with the details of 2,789 words, 646 little words. Just make your point. Clarity is not about long explanations. Now, I'm sure, Tom, you have a higher position in the office. How many people said, but sir, don't I have the right to explain? Like, maybe later, but not now. There's a way of saying no. You can say maybe later, but not now, right now. Please give me your point so I understand where you're coming from, where we can hold hands, and where we can go to together. Guarantee them that from your heart, from your mind, you want to do this together. No solo players because it's the best way to get in trouble where you submit a report, they read it and like, What's that all about? It's best to say, am I on track? Dorothy noticed this. I was sending messages in the chat. Please confirm. Did you get it? Is that a yes? Do not stop until you answer. My best tip to you for conversation master is if anyone sends you email, don't just say, okay, I saw it. Answer, got it. We'll be back. Yeah, what, next year? In 24 hours, in 2 days. Say something clear. The secret to conversation mastery is not in preparing the best you can do, because they might be coming from somewhere else. 3 things in closing. Tom, you know that for your closing ceremonies. 3 things, and it's easy. Conversation mastery is beyond just words. It's ask, 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 because life is a two-way street. Think about that. Sending you love from Manila. Wah, wah, wah.
Thank you, Vivian, for that motivational speech, inspirational speech. I loved it, loved it, loved it. And communication is not solo.